What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is, your boy Jambisco. Yeah, man, today, back in the music lab, and today we got Squash Tequila. Let's get it. Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is, boy Jambisco. Back in the building. Yeah, man, people. There with another one. Yeah, man, another. You see me? This artist, you don't know, no stranger to the channel already. You see me? So, but before we jump in at that, guys, how y'all doing? Hope y'all taking care of yourself. You know, hope y'all been drinking your water. Hope y'all been staying prayed up. You know what I'm saying? Hope y'all been exercising, staying healthy, staying, you know what I'm saying? Working on yourself, making, you know, steps and progress to make better your life and grow. You don't know. Yeah, man, I wish y'all all the best. You know, I'm praying for your prosperity and your growth. You feel me? And I want to thank y'all for your support. You know what I'm saying? Clapping yourself. Yeah, man, clapping on damn self, man. Big up on yourself, man. I appreciate it. We're growing steady over here, gang. If you're new to the channel, sub up. I want to hear, man, sub up. Become part of the latest channel on YouTube, man. Become part of the gang. We're mafia. We are family over here. You see me? Yeah, man, you don't know what time it is, guys. Yeah, man, you definitely want to comment. You definitely want to like, share, subscribe. I mean, you definitely want to comment. You want to comment where you're from. You know what I'm saying? Where you're watching from. You know what I'm saying? What you want me to react to next. And definitely, I'm going to give you a shout out. Y'all know what time it is. I'll put a shout out right here. If I choose a song you want me to react to, put it up on the screen. But at the beginning of the video, as you see, I put up all, I put up comments, put up all the comments. So if you want to get shouted out or see your name on the screen, go ahead, drop a comment, drop your flag. Let me know what you're dealing with, where you're from. You see me? But guys, yeah, man, like me say, we're back in the music lab, and today we got Squash. Yeah, man, you don't know Squash, very talented artist. You see me? We have to Squash many times on the channel. You see me? Yeah, man, and he's lit, very talented. As you know, one of the latest dancehall artists that's out. Yeah, man, in Japan, new song like about a couple hours ago. You see me? About 2 or 3 hours ago, called Tequila. You see me? So I check it out and see what's going with all the vibe. You see me? So yeah, man, like me say, new to the channel, sub up. We're not wasting more time. Let's jump right now. Squash Tequila. Let's get it.
Yeah, man, you're not the man.
And that's the one I want to see you on my curb.
Yeah, you see one of that. You know, like this stuff up. You don't see one of that.
You couldn't do this. Do this can beat me. Do this for me.
Yo, you don't know, like, see, yo, let me know, dog. Yo, Tequila. The party song, man. Yeah, man, we about to see be a girl in this, yeah, see what goes.
No! I'm beating.
Drink all night. Tequila, tequila, tequila. Tequila, tequila, tequila.
Easy no, man. Yeah, I like the video already. The video didn't even start. Squash, I get me no problem, bro. I don't think I can watch the. I don't think I can watch the video, you know. You get me no problem. You get me no trouble, you know, you.
Shots. Tequila, tequila, tequila. Rich plus tax. Tequila.
Good, man. I like the video, man. Yeah,
Watch out, rum. Have me a tiff. Beer and dicks. Black chip. Disney, happy picnic.
Mad. Yo. This is definitely a summer vibe, guys. You see me rum. You see me. I be antiques. You see me got. Yo, can I pull it up, guys? Can I pull it up? Ah, damn it.
Blood clot from a kick me. Jump the fuck. Can't trick me. Look ya. History, drink and nice and tipsy. Better can't lavish so. 2 Cuban full of ice. I mean, what a AP. Better.
Yeah, man, me like this pool party I go on. Florida, nice. Southside, nice. Girls, them not. Hey.
Lavish so. Buy me a back and Porsche, give me that, let me key. Better.
When you say buy me a back and Porsche and give me dogs, let me key.
Can't lavish so. 2 girls shine a yard. One big business, so me do it. I bet you don't lavish so. It's obvious. Young rich nigga out here. Fabulous. Versace, we clean to the bone.
Blouse and skirt. Yeah, man, more pull up the tuna, man. More pull it up from the beginning. What you say? Reach too far for turn back.
J-Bud beat them like slavery.
Tell but
Yeah, man. Show the people, man.
And that's the one I want to see you, my curve.
Yeah, you see one of that.
The boy I
Psycho Bonio, George,
You see one of that.
Cartier,
You couldn't do this.
right here.
Do this can beat me. Do this for me, I can know.
Nice, and run up, man. Eh?
And beat me.
Drink all nice. Tequila, tequila, tequila. Tequila, tequila, tequila. Shots, shots. Tequila, tequila, tequila.
I mean, shots.
Rich plus tax. Tequila. Watch out, rum. Have me a tiff. Beer and dicks. Glad chip. Disney, happy picnic.
Rum, have me a drift. Be antiques. Glock chip. Hey boy, I wanna be able to sell.
Blood clot from a kick me. Joint of hook. Can't trick me. Look ya. History, drink and nice and tipsy. Better can't lavish so. 2 Cuban full of ice. I mean, what a AP. Better can't lavish so. Buy me.
2 Cuban full of ice. I mean, watch a AP. Yo, behave na man. Dog, I talk about the rich, lavish lifestyle, man. Yo, this is a summer beats, guys. What do you think about that one? This mad. Yeah, man.
Yeah, back and push, give me that, let me key. Better can't lavish so. 2 girl shana yard, one big business, so me do it. I bet you don't lavish so.
2 girl
It's
shana
obvious.
yard. 2 girl shana yard. One big business. That's how me do it. How you mean, man? So you them feel live, man, rich and nice and have their money and surrounded by be a bad bitch and hey, life is nice.
Young rich nigga out here. Fabulous. Versace, we clean to the bone. Them girl Huawei won't leave me alone. Fraudulent activity, live his scheme, live a dream. Chip clap, they are with the team.
Easy now, man. I like this vibe. This is a bounce. It's a summer bounce, guys. Yeah, man. Kind of song you expect from Squash, you know what I'm saying? Dog think them always have a vibe, have a bounce to it. You see me? Song, when you hear this Squash song, you know, you want to move. Yeah, man, that's summer song. Them,
Now make you squeeze, take a tree, lift, drift, sick, move, whip, sip, this, drift, rich, kid, live, big.
said, make you squeeze, now make you take your 3 pints that I talk about, you know. You see me? Glock chip, you know, man. You see me? One press squeeze, man.
Watch ya, chopper, yassa, me go, rough up, fuck up, huh? Stomach, full up my cup, still a drink, still a smoke.
It's like, you might say, yo, the Casamigos fuck up, you want rough up his stomach, but he still a drink, still a smoke, what you mean?
Then me fuck your girl in the
That's I think, you know, you had man, yo, we had him party from day till a morning, wake up back, you know. Probably hang over and say, we not drink again, but you know, even I'll be a vice, I drink, I even realize it.
can't lavish so. 2 Cuban full of ice, I mean, what a AP. Better can't lavish so. Buy me a back and push, give me that, let me key. Better can't lavish so. 2 girl shana yard.
Yo, you see that, guys? You see that, watch ice hot, man? Yeah, man. Some of you love see, yeah, some love see the artists and their money and them live their life and they're nice. Some of you look.
Better can't lavish so. 2 girl shana yard, one big business, so me do it. I bet you don't lavish so. It's obvious. Young rich nigga out here. Fabulous.
He's that Rising King. Yeah, you know, love it so. It's obvious. Man, I live life out here. You know?
Versace, we clean to the bone.
I'm turn on the. Hey, don't play a Jambisco then in a couple of years. I know, I'm gonna see a thing right head. Easy on y'all, I'm outside. Bone.
Sick,
Beer antiques.
move, whip, sip, this, drift, rich, kid, live, big. Watch ya, chopper, chopper. Full up my cup, still a drink.
Easy no man, yeah man, I like the video guys. What do you think about it? It's a vibe. It's a vibe, I know that comes.
Still a smoke. Then me fuck your girl in her throat.
Yo, now what you say about the last? You mess up on the last line still, you know, but you see me, I go hear what I go and say. But guys, one thing about that one, yeah, man, that squash tequila. Yeah, man, real dope trap, man. Enjoy that one. Definitely a summer bang. You see me, definitely can say, you see me, I play that in the whip. You see me at the beach, at the pool party. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, summer beat, man. I like the song. The one thing about that one, guys, definitely, let me know in the comment section. You see me, what's your favorite part? Lyrics, flow, the video. Can't be a girl live video, you don't know. Love the video nice. You see me, I say, yeah, I'm glad to see that I live and I enjoy life, man. You see me, real upbeat tune. You see me, like that, different topic. You see me, all that time a song to be a chopper song or some, you know, some depressing song. Need them upbeat, fun time song. You see me? Yeah, man, right in time for the summer, man. Yeah, I like it so far, guys. We know anything about that comment section. Definitely want to know, let me know what you want me to react to next. I'll definitely get it done. And like I said, guys, if I choose your song choice, if you suggest a song for me to react and I'll do it, definitely gonna give you a shout out. And at the beginning of the video, you're gonna see all the comments and all that stuff, guys. You don't join the Dad Mafia. I'm telling man, come part of the latest gang on YouTube. Do yourself a favor. You wanna be watching all names, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, go on. Till next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.